Hello friends, very good morning. Myself Bala here. I'm CB certified research analyst. This video I'm going to talk about Bank Nifty levels about this week and this month of a new contract which is started for a July contract. So anyone who new to my YouTube channel, kindly make subscribe the channel to get more update on intraday and positional trading strategies. And if you have any questions and if you have any other doubts, you can comment on my video comment box. And any doubts or if you want to learn my paid strategy, you can contact me the number provided here. And you can also get that number same every video of my description link. And this video purely I'm going to take a discussion and analysis about a Bank Nifty and what should be the best trading strategy for a Bank Nifty which we can apply in Bank Nifty, that I'm going to explain in this video. Okay, so again, anyone new, kindly make subscribe the channel. So as per our IV charts and IV data, so we can easily predict the range of the Bank Nifty. So after predicting the range, so we can easily calculate what is the expected level which can travel in this particular month or week. So we can easily find out the options range. After finding out the levels, we are going to get somewhere what is the expected level we are going to follow and everything we are going to do it. So now I am going to analyze Bank Nifty. Let's take a Bank Nifty study case. So Bank Nifty is currently trading 21,511. So that is what the last trading price, 21,511 rupees is the price. And you see that IV is around 44.88. So based on the IV, so we have another expiry. So this is what a Saturday I am recording the video, and for the next expiry, that is a 2nd July. So there will be a 6 days is for the expiry. So in 6 days, based on this IV, how much the point can move in a Bank Nifty is around 1,200 points. That I am expecting there will be a move in a Bank Nifty is 1,200 points. So I decided what is the expected level or how much point it can move. So let's tell you that from this particular point of price, as per the IV of 48, those who are expecting the movement of the Bank Nifty is around 1,200 point for the next 6 days. That is what my expectation in the movement. So either I'm not predicting the direction, it may be plus or minus 1,200 point we can expect in a Bank Nifty, either the direction. Okay, so now I decided my expected level. So from here Bank Nifty will move 22,740. That is my expected upside level, and in my expected downside level which I am expecting 20,200 level. So these are the level which I am expecting in Bank Nifty. Whether if it is travel upside, I am expecting 22,740. If it is traveling downside, I am expecting 20,000 levels. So these are my expected levels only. It is not a sure levels, and but anyone will happen 90% sure because of the expected volatility. It's showing that much of price the Bank Nifty can move for a next 6 days. If you want to find out for a next 1 month, so we can also calculate based on the data points which we are available. So if I am going to check the Bank Nifty based on 1 month, that is around 30 days, so it can move more than 2,700 point we can expect from the Bank Nifty. That will move as a expected range. So the expected range of the monthly basis Bank Nifty is around 2,760 points. So where this much of points is happen in the next 1 month, we can expect Bank Nifty will reach by 24,200 or 18,750. So these are my monthly expectation about Bank Nifty. That is around 3,000 points, near about 3,000 points we can expect the travel in Bank Nifty for a July contract. This is about July 2nd week contract expectation is around 1,200 point we are expecting. So now I am expecting 1,200 point. What I am going to get my trade status. So how I am deciding. So these are the expected points based on the IV data which I derived. And now we will go for a option chain about Bank Nifty. So here also we can get option chain. This is IV chart. Here Bank Nifty we send 1,200 points. So let's for example we'll take on some other the option chains. then decide what would be the best thing. Okay, so let's go for option chain. So it's a easy way so finding out on NSE website. So this is a paid version, so you can also, if you are a options trader, you can get this paid version also. Here this is the contract 2nd July, where the option premium which is traded is around 500 and ATM options, 21,500 call option as well as put options. Here 21,500 call option we are trading 549 and put option we are trading 482. 549, 482, that is a premium which we are going to pay if you are taking a position. So almost 1000 points the premium is there, almost 1030 points is the total premium, but what we are expecting is around 1200 point movement for this month, this week. So when if I am go for a long straddle, so there will be a profit of 170 point is expected. So it's around 17% of my investment amount, but the risk for the trade is more compared to the premium pay, the investment amount. In case of if Bank Nifty is not moving at any point of time, so we are going to lose this much of 1000 rupees in Bank Nifty. So that is what another important. So we have to understand while we are doing the trade. But we can do with the hedging basis. We have to do some other more beneficial trades. For example, so what are the systems which we can do? Either you can do with the futures and options hedging or option with options hedging. So that kind of hedging strategy you can do. Or if you want anyone who take a small risk, you can also go for a 20,000 put options, which is 110 rupees, 2200. At the same time, if you are checking around how much, what is the expected level, or expected level is almost expected level is around 22,700. If you are taking a 22,700 call, it's trading 128, and downside 22,200, that was trading around 2200. Put options we are trading around is around 110. So if you are taking a less investment, but that is also be a risky trade. If market moves over and above that particular point, you are going to make money, otherwise you are going to lose money. So 2200 put as well as 22,700 call, so that is also long strangle also possible. So you are going to pay premium as around 200 rupees. So that is what your maximum risk. But if the expected movement happen in the Bank Nifty, so you are going to get maximum benefit. So but hedging is the always better strategy. Some brokers is currently providing hedging benefits, some other is not providing that. So you can select the right broker to get hedging benefit, and you can also do the hedging kind of trade. And those people who attend my paid class, this video may be useful to them, so they will understand what is the logic we are talking here, and we can apply without directional trade. So that is what non-directional trade we are talking about right now. So if you know the direction about Bank Nifty, so you can do any one part of the strategy, so which we can use and beneficial. And monthly options, that is quite higher premium. Let's check what is the premium. 30th July having 1500 and 1150 and 1150, so almost 2200 points premium is there, but we are expecting there will be 2700 point movement in a Bank Nifty. So if you are doing a long triangle, so you are going to get somewhere around some 600 point as a profit. And even also you can do with the hedging strategy, that will give you maximum probability. Okay, so that's about the Bank Nifty range. And option prices, which we are near about option premium also showing about 1000 point. So sure, we are expecting there will be a 1000 point movement in a Bank Nifty, either the direction, both call side as well as a put side. So better way, so if you are going to take a position, so you can go for a 1000 points away and below out of the many options to trade with the maximum risk of your premium paid. And if you are doing ATM options, do kindly hedging kind of trade, that will give you protected profits, as well as the risk is protected and reward also be protected. So that kind of trade strategy always giving you best return. So anyone who understand or who want to know about the paid strategy, you can contact me, the number provided here. And if you are not subscribed my channel, kindly make subscribe the channel to get more update. Thank you for watching this video, and thank you very much.